The sport of surfing uses two types of energy systems, ATP, CP, and aerobic. Before I will explain what both of these systems are and how they work. ATP, CP provides a rapid burst of energy for your muscles, for example, shot put or the start of a sprint. The energy comes from ATP, which is stored in our muscle cells. This energy lasts up to 10 seconds and it is an aerobic movement because it uses no oxygen and doesn't cause a build-up of lactic acid. The lactic acid systems run on gluten as its primary source. If energy as E-gluten reacts with oxygen, it creates energy as a byproduct of the reaction. Lactic acid is produced in the muscles, causing a burning sensation after a run. This system lasts for 30 seconds to 3 minutes. The cardiovascular system begins at the right atrium down to the right ventricle, out the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Then the oxygenated blood goes back to the pulmonary vein in the left atrium to the left ventricle and out the aorta to the muscles that need it. First, he uses ATP-CP to pop up onto a riding stance. He puts his body weight on his arms and rapidly scoops the rest of his body forward underneath his body into a riding stance. This movement is drawing ATP from his arms, legs, and core to complete this movement as rapidly as he does. Now that he is in a standing stance, he has referred back to his aerobic energy system to go along the wave and pump for speed. If he does a cutback, it all of a sudden movement and uses the ATP-CP system. The ATP-CP is fueled by ATP, but there's only a small amount of it and is burnt off very quickly, and then it is refueled by the creatine phosphate. When he is pumping along the wave, his lungs are required to get more oxygen to your muscles, so you breathe faster for the demand of oxygen for your muscles. Your lungs need more oxygen when you go to the capillaries and then into your blood flow to the muscles that require it. Short-term responses from this activity will be heartbeat increases to support the amount of oxygen your muscles require, so your breathing rate increases. From the extra blood, your capillaries are coming up to the surface because your body is heating up and they need to cool down.